Well, aloha everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land. Never land in a land of a rubber band. Yeah, he's chief. Told you guys I had some work to do. I wanted to make something on the inside of these posts so that it can make up for the lack of length. And what I did in there, as you can see, I welded some rebar, and that will keep the hinge from pulling away. I still have to make another setup over here by the mouth of this thing. But what I did while I was at it was I took the stringer, that cast iron pipe, and I tacked them to that reinforcement grid right there, where I put that rebars in that square config. I'll put one more up here, so that it's all lined up with that with this upper hinge. That way the upper hinge can never pull away, and it'll be tied in directly into the stringer. It'll be tied in all the way together with concrete, which I'm gonna mix the Quikrete with cement powder, so I can bring up the tensile strength to about like 80,000, 85,000, close to 90,000 psi inside this pipe. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna concrete the insert. Into the hole. Then this will sit over the insert. I'm thinking that with the way I had done it down here, I'm not sure how much of the insert is going to be able to go up in there now. And so what I might do with the insert is cut them a little bit shorter and do the same thing I did on the inside of that. And what I'll do is I'll join I'll weld the insert onto that grid over there. You see what happened? I might not have to, with the way things are, like as is. I might just have to drop this in the way it is. As long as the thing is solid. I gotta go look at this thing and I'll do some measuring. I might have to do some yeah, I think I might still add this thing on the end, but I'll probably have to cut off a portion of these so I can get it on the other end, and then we just put the whole thing in the ground. There's one piece. Yeah, looks like I might have to go with that. Here, let me put you guys down for a little while. Well, it looks like I am going to shut in this other pipe here. I'm going to shut in this other pipe, just the top, so it'll go in there, and I can weld them off to the rebars, and I'll just send this whole thing down into the hole one piece, because I need anywhere from 8 to 9 feet of pipe. This stringer is 8 feet. So literally, I would have to come down and basically bury this whole thing in the ground. So it looks like we'll do some trick cuts, I think, on this. See what happens. I think I got ahead of myself over here, but either way, it's not a disaster, because there are ways of making this thing happen. I can always make use of rebar to set it up, so I can insert this thing in here, and she won't fail. So, well, what I got for now. I'm not too worried about that, because if that is a mess up, that's not that bad. I can always, if I have to, shut in this big pipe, by cutting them square right along this line, right there. Set up a grid like that on the inside, on the mouth of this pipe. Then I bury this pipe in the ground first, and then with the help of Noah and a crew, I can lift this up, put this end of the stringer through that array of rebar, and it should be okay. And then I just core the whole thing with 80,000 pound concrete. But either way, I'm just giving you guys a look at what I got here. You know, there's all kind of other ways I can do this. I do have another pipe that's bigger than this. It's a ductile iron pipe, and I can always cut a section out of that, put that in the ground with concrete, then drop this inside of that, and core the whole damn thing, and she ain't moving. And I'll give you a peep at that. I gotta go through Vietnam, the other end of Hanoi, northern end of Hanoi. I'll show you what I got. See that? That's a big piece of ductile iron pipe. I drop that in a hole. Doesn't matter what I had done. There's a so-called mistake on the top. That thing ain't moving. Not in my lifetime. But I've been wanting to keep that around for the gardening tools. But if I have to sacrifice it, I will. But I doubt it. But I will get back to you guys when I figure this thing out. I don't know, I think I got a hit on myself because it's really hot. And I don't do very well in the heat. So I'm gonna kick back and brainstorm a little bit. I'm thinking I might just cut that ring off over there and then set up something on the inside of this and just block that that other end somehow. We'll see what happens. I'm not too worried about anything right now. As for now, you know, there's no real rush to do anything. So till next time, yeah, this is Chief. Aloha, wide.